Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, force restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, click on your power button and volume down button at the same time. And from here you can restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset, and from here reset all settings and again click on reset all settings to confirm. So after resetting all settings, if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again and then scroll down to the end, and here open the app in which microphone is not working and check if microphone button is turned on. Make sure microphone button is turned on, and after turning on microphone button, again open settings and then click on general. Now here click on software updates and then update your iOS software to latest version. So after updating the software, it will fix your speaker problem, microphone problem on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.